There's a hidden cost in Odoo that nobody tells you about. Every time Odoo releases a new version, every custom module, and every third-party app in your system has to be migrated before you can upgrade. And if your partner's been building custom code for every little thing, that bill adds up fast. I just audited a database with over 200 custom apps. Most of them never should have existed. And now that business is staring down a migration bill that makes the original development look cheap. This is the cost nobody talks about when they sell you on custom development. Let me show you where it comes from, why your partner probably won't warn you, and how to make sure it doesn't happen to you. So first off, where does it come from? Development inside of Odoo is still based on Odoo. Some of it is what is called an inheritance, where a piece of code points to another piece of code and says, hey, change this or add this. Other developments just rely on the database structure Odoo already has with its fields and models. Now, if something moves in Odoo, or it gets removed entirely, that's going to throw up an error. Now, you may be wondering where I'm going with this, because isn't Odoo supposed to be customizable? Shouldn't I be able to make changes to tailor it to my company? Yeah, you should be able to. But there are so many ways that you can customize and develop inside of Odoo. And the choice you make as far as how you approach these is going to very much determine how much your upgrades cost and how reliant you are on your partner in the future. So let's hop back to the company that I recently looked at their database for an example here. When I got into their database, I started clicking through the apps. Module after module after module. Custom code everywhere. And I kept asking myself the same question. Why? Why is this a whole module? This is a computed field. This is an automated action. This is something Studio does in 5 minutes. The partner defaulted to development for everything. Need a new field on the sales order? Write a module. Need an approval step? Write a module. Need to change a report layout? Write a module. Each one on its own seems reasonable, but they stack up. And at 200 plus, you don't have a system anymore. You have a custom application wearing an Odoo costume. Now, if any Odoo partners are watching this, I already know what you're thinking, because I've had this discussion many, many times. Most partners will look you dead in the eye and tell you that development is better than Studio, that Studio customizations are messy, harder to maintain, not real solutions, that a proper module is cleaner, more professional, more scalable. And honestly, I used to partially agree. I've always believed in Studio first, but there was always a caveat. There were certain things you just needed a third-party app for. Studio couldn't do everything, and that's still true, but there are other players in the game now. With AI and vibe coding tools, what you can do without custom development has exploded. Things that used to require a third-party app or a developer, you can build them yourself now. And yeah, a third-party app might feel cleaner in the moment, but that clean little app, it's going to block your next upgrade, and the one after that, and everyone after that. That's the cost nobody's including in the decision. Meanwhile, Studio customizations and bolt-on solutions like the vibe coding tools or other platforms I mentioned, the business owner can see it, understand it, modify it, and it will never stop an upgrade, ever. Odoo may still remove things or move things around, but you can still upgrade and fix the things that need fixing. The business I just audited, I guarantee their partner said, this is the right way to do it. 200 modules later, that business can't move without them. That's not a partnership. That's a hostage situation. So how do you protect yourself from this happening to you? Let me walk you through the stack that would have saved this business tens of thousands of dollars. Before you approve a single line of custom code or install a single third-party app, run through this. Step 1. Configure what's already there. Odoo ships with more built-in options than most people ever touch. Step 2. Use Studio and other bolt-ons. Custom fields, automated actions, approval flows, report changes, and platforms like HelloLeo, none of it will block an upgrade. Again, Studio isn't magic. You might still have some cleanup after an upgrade. Some of the same things that break with third-party apps and custom code can happen with Studio too. But here's the difference. It won't stop you from getting to the next version. You'll get there. You just might have a little housekeeping to do. That's a very different problem than being stuck on an old version because you're waiting on a developer. Step 3. Only if you can't accomplish what you want through step 1 and 2, then consider a third-party app or custom development. But understand that the moment you go down that road, you're adding to your upgrade bill. Every app, every custom module, that's something that has to be migrated before you can move to the next version. If the business I audited had followed this stack, they'd have maybe 15 or 20 apps instead of 200. They'd be on the latest version of Odoo, and they wouldn't need my help right now. So to bring it all home, when you want to upgrade, every third-party app and every custom module has to be migrated before you can upgrade. And these versions come out every year. So that custom module your partner built for $3,000, you're not paying $3,000. You're paying $3,000 plus whatever it costs to migrate it next year, and the year after that, and the year after that. Studio customizations, you might have a little cleanup, but you're never stuck. You're never waiting on someone else to let you move forward. So now you know the cost nobody talks about, and you've seen what happens when nobody's asking the right questions. But here's the thing. If you're about to start an Odoo project, or you're in the middle of one, and something feels off, the most expensive thing you can do is keep going without a second opinion. I built a free evaluation for exactly that. Links in the description. Before you spend another dollar, find out if you're on the right track.